1,000 live red wigglers just came in today. And honestly, after the last batch that came in and every single one of them died, I'm nervous to not mess this up again. Last bin that I had with my red wigglers, I used cardboard squares. So I think the bin just got too wet and it got too compacted. So this time, as you'll see in my previous video, I actually set up some new bins. This time we're doing things a bit different. I'm using more shallow bins with a wider surface area. Instead of cardboard squares, I'm using shredded cardboard, and I'm gonna put less moisture than I did last time. So hopefully this time I do not mess up and these worms actually survive this time. Now I'm gonna bring you guys closer in with my knife from the US Marines so you can actually see the new setup. So here is the new setup. I used a bunch of shredded cardboard instead, and it's relatively dry. There's a bunch of soil mixed up inside there as well for microbial activity. But if you look over here, this was my old bin setup. I had this mesh at the bottom of the bin. It was taped up, and these were the cardboard squares I used. Obviously it's a lot more dry now because I just left it outside, but this was the old setup. So let's see how the new setup works. And now I'm going to be using my knife from the US Marines to get to the fun part. So now I'm just going to use my knife, cut the top, cut the sides. You guys know the drill. Last time I messed this up. These worms came from Mimi's Worm Farms, just so you know. They came all in one bag this time, and I'm going to split them up into the two bins. Might not be perfect, but I want to make sure there's about 500 in here and 500 in here. So let's go ahead and add these worms from Mimi's Worm Farm into the bins. It also comes in this box here with some shredded material and an eggshell casing or egg casing. Go ahead and put that back. And now we're going to get our worms and add them to the bin. There we go. Not seeing much activity at the top. I'm sure they all moved down. So let's grab a handful. There we go. Another worm ball here. Grab those guys. And it is raining, but that's okay. I think we'll still be able to get it done. And I'll leave these worms and I'll let them go down on their own. I do have to move inside because it's definitely raining out here. So I just took this worm ball right here, from here to here, just to kind of even it out. So let me know in the comments if you think I made a pretty even split, or if you think the worms might be a bit uneven. There's a massive worm ball here too, so we'll see how that one goes. And I'm also going to take my spray bottle and just give it a light mist, just so these guys get some moisture in their bodies. there's a bit more moisture in the bin. I might end up using a lamp or like a flashlight just to shine on these guys so they go down a bit quicker. But for now, I just want them to slowly start getting acclimated to their bins. Let's hope this works this time. And if you like worm content like this, remember to like and subscribe and follow for more, because I do update these bins every single day.